number 286, question number 8, ka 3. Receipt and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2015 is given. Now, in this sum, we have to disclose the following information in income expenditure account for the year ending 31/3/2015. Now, receipt payment account is given. Receipt payment account is like a cash book. Now, I think there is a mistake over here. वो income नहीं है, वो है receipt. Okay. And expense नहीं है, that is payment. Make the necessary correction in the textbook. Now, on the receipt side, you got subscription. Please ध्यान देना. अब we are in which year? We are in the year ending 31st March 2015. यानी beginning from 1/4/2014 to 31/3/2015. This is our current year. Okay, ये ध्यान रखना because you may have some confusion regarding it. This is our current year, which is 2014 and 2015. Is this clear? Okay. What is a year before this previous year? 2013 and 2014. So date is 1/4/2013 to 31/3/2014. Any doubt in this? Okay, great. So this is the previous year, or I write over here also previous year, current year, next year. 2015 and 2016. So 1/4/2015 to 31/3/2016. All of you understood this? Okay, now subscription. टोटल कितना हमने रिसीव किया? 77,850. उसमें 13-14 का we have received 1,200. Current year का we have received 75,000. And next year के लिए अभी से लोगों ने दे दिया हमें for the next year is 1,650. What's the outer column? 7,7,850. Is this clear? यानी मेरे पास जो कैश आया, मेरे पास जो रुपीस आया in the form of cash or check, whatever, I collected to total 77,850. Is this clear? ये मेरा receipt है. Receipt यानी cash comes in. Please ध्यान देना, बहुत important concept है. Now, on the payment side, taxes and insurance, then you have salary and then you have stationery expense. ये सब हमारे expenses है. Now, adjustment में आ जाओ. Salary outstanding 13-14 is 3,000. ये कौन सा साल है? Previous year है. So last year मुझे किसी को पगार देना था. Last year मुझे किसी को पगार देना था, पर मैंने last year वो नहीं दिया. I paid in the current year. So 3,000 belongs to previous year. You can write PY over there, or you can say outstanding at the beginning. And 14-15 current year का outstanding is 6,300. Opening stock of stationery and closing stock of stationery is 250. Tick करो stationery expense को, salary को, and subscription को. Now make half a page income expenditure account. Make half a page income expenditure account. Okay, pay attention now. Over here, सबसे पहले we start with subscription. Now, subscription is receipt in receipt payment account. What it is in income expenditure account? Income है expense है? Income है. So buy subscription. We will write this total how much we have received 77850 inner column. Now total income, what I have written in the inner column is 77850. This comes from receipt payment account, but this is not my income. This is what is the cash I have received. Income क्या है ये साल का? इनकम मेरा वो है जो मैंने सर्विसेज दिया उसके सामने जो मुझे पैसा मिला या पैसा मिलना चाहिए. That is my income. Got it, all of you? Now, I received out of this 1200 was of previous year, which is included. Is it income of current year? No. ये last year का services का पैसा ये साल मिल रहा है तो वो last year का income है. ये साल का income है नहीं, तो इसको कर देंगे minus outstanding of current of previous year. You can also write minus outstanding at beginning. Doesn't matter, both are the same. Okay, in school if they do beginning or end, it is beginning is previous year and end is current year or for the next year. Okay, now ये हो गया. This 75,000 का तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, करंट ईयर का ही है, इसका में कुछ भी करना नहीं है. Now नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए लोगों ने मुझे 1650 दिया जो इसके अंदर आ गया. क्या वो ये साल का इनकम है? It is of the next year. तो यहाँ से इसको हम निकाल देंगे माइनस एडवांस for next year. You may also write advance at end. It's the same thing. That is 1650. So outer column will be 75,000. Got it, all of you? If in this sum, in the adjustment, it was given कि outstanding for the current year is 2,000. यानी ये साल members को 2,000 देना था पर उन्होंने दिया नहीं, तो फिर हम इसको यहाँ पे add कर दें. Got it? Okay. Next. Taxes and insurance. It is payment. I have paid, but it is my expense, revenue expense. So two taxes and insurance. $65. Salary. To salary, but there are adjustments. So in the inner column, 32,800. Now, salary में total I paid how much? 32,800. उसमें last year का कितना pay किया मैंने? 3,000. So is it expense of the current year or expense of the previous year? Previous year. So I have to deduct minus outstanding of previous year. 3,000. और ये साल का कितना आउटस्टैंडिंग है मेरा? 6,300. पैसा देना बाकी है पर सर्विसेज तो अवेल कर दिया, hence it is our expense. So plus outstanding of current year. Outstanding of current year 6,300. How much? 36,100. All of you understood this? Okay. Next is stationery expense, but we have adjustment in this opening stock and closing stock. So we do it this way. To stationery consumed. Opening stock. What is the opening stock? 670 प्लस परचेज. ये साल कितना परचेज किया आपने? स्टेशनरी एक्सपेंस कितना है? 2500. So 3170 minus closing. Closing is 250. 2920. Now I'll make you understand ये क्या है. See, opening stock मेरे पास था 670 का. I purchased 2500. The total stationery with me was 3120. उसमें से at the end कितना रह गया? 2500. So कितना use up हो गया? 2920. You understood this? You understood this? 2920 got used up. So this is our expense. Got it, all of you? When we will be doing balance sheet, this closing stock will have a second effect. That will be balance sheet asset. Any doubt? Here we don't have to balance. We just have to disclose. It's a part of a sum. Disclose the following balances in balance sheet of Vinayak Cricket Club. Now we are going to see specific purpose funds. Match fund, investment. Match fund will be liability. Investment of match fund, asset. Then prize distribution to match winners. Now, do we have prize fund? But we have match fund. So this prize distribution will be deducted. So minus from match fund. Then match expense, minus from match fund. Then interest on match fund investment plus okay, match fund donation received plus match fund, and permanent fund separately liability and investment of permanent fund asset. Understood this? Okay, make a balance sheet format. Question 8. Form. Balance sheet. As on. Date is not given, not a problem. Seems you're all ready with the format. Now, let's start with the match fund. Match fund, right over here. Opening balance 70,000. Got it? Now, क्या-क्या addition है? सबसे पहले donation received for match. But let's add plus donation for match fund. Donation is of 16,000 plus interest on investment of match fund. It is income of the fund. It is 4,000. That's it. Okay. 90,000 minus. Now all the expenses we will deduct from the fund. सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? Okay. Now we start with prize distribution to match winners. Prize distribution. देखो prize distribute किया 5,700 minus match expense 8,250 That's it. Close it. 76050. All of you understood how a specific purpose fund is reflected. Okay, we are doing a short sums and then this will form part of a long sum. Now, we have investment of match fund. Where it will come? Assets. Investment of match fund. यही investment पे we have got the return 4,000. Okay, it can come as an adjustment. As we had in final accounts, a hidden adjustment. It can come over here when percentage is given and date is given. Then, match fund done. We go to permanent fund, liability side, 1 lakh.
86,000.
Okay. Permanent fund, 1,05,000. Write down, please. And investment of permanent fund. Investment is also 1,05,000. Or 2 mark or 3 mark sum can come. Very easy. That's it. Any doubt in this? Okay. Now, question number 5 is a tricky one. Please mark it important. Now, what is given in the fifth sum is, are you all through with this? Now, income of subscription 45,000 is disclosed in income expenditure account for the year ending 31/3/2015. Other details of subscription are as follows. So as usual, we have outstanding, opening, closing, or current year, previous year, subscription received previous year, and then in the current year for the next year. Disclose the amount of subscription in the receipt payment account for the year ending 31/3/2015. यानी यहाँ पे नॉर्मली हमने क्या किया, रिसीव पेमेंट से हमने इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर बनाया. अब इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर का आउटर कॉलम है, we have to find what are going to be our receipts. Understood this? Okay, now I suggest you make an income expenditure account. You make a income expenditure account of say 10 lines. For year ended 31/3/2015. Okay, now ध्यान देना. Income of subscription 45,000 is disclosed in income expenditure account. It means what? In income expenditure account, where we write over here by subscription, where does this amount come from? This comes from receipt payment account, isn't it? ध्यान देना please. Now, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? Minus outstanding of previous year plus outstanding of current year plus advance in previous year minus advance in current year, isn't it? And then we get the outer column, which is ultimately your income. Now over here, this outer column 45,000 is given to us. Understood this? Okay, what is outstanding of the previous year? Outstanding of previous year कितना है? 2,700. What is outstanding of current year? 3,600. Advance in previous year beginning 1,800 and then 900. Now, from here, can you calculate this? All of you understood the question now? Okay, now we can do a working. Subscription as per income expenditure account rupees 45,000. Now what we will do, जो माइनस है वो जाएगा प्लस और जो प्लस है वो जाएगा माइनस. So we go for plus first. So this will become plus advance received in current year, that is 900. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? This is given. We have to find this. So we have to go reverse. Got it? Okay. Then दूसरा माइनस क्या है? Outstanding of previous year. That will also be plus. Outstanding of previous year, that is 2,700. I do the totals. So 16. 48,600. अब क्या करेंगे? माइनस जो प्लस है वो जाएगा माइनस आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ करंट ईयर, that is 3,600 and minus advance in previous year, that is 1,800. 43200. So this is subscription received during the year. Now, in case of any confusion, you can make this. ये find करना है, this is missing. तो जो भी पता है वो लिख लो, and then you reverse it and get this. But it is just like from closing capital you find the opening capital. याद आया तुम्हें? Okay. Any doubt? Then I can say इतना currency notes आया मेरे पास 43,200. Okay. Now we go for a full-fledged sum. That is question number 9. These type of sums will come in your exam for more marks, ranging from 4 to 8. Very important. From the following given information, prepare a receipt payment account for the year ending on 31/3/2015 of Omkar Club. Now, over here, what is given? Information is given. From the information is given. From the information, we have to prepare what? Receipt payment account is nothing but it's a cash book. There are two parts. Receipt, cash comes in, and payment, cash goes out. Okay, great. Now, donation, is it receipt or payment? Receipt. R लिख दो. Entrance fee, receipt or payment? Membership fee, receipt. Income, receipt. Dinner party expense, payment. Club pavilion, payment. Electricity, payment. Purchase of furniture, payment. Life membership fee, sale of old furniture, cash balance and bank balance opening. So ये आएगा opening on the receipt side. We have cash balance also and we have bank balance also. Rent of all paid, payment. Salary payment, subscription payment, sale of old newspaper, receipt. Charity, receipt. Dinner party contribution, receipt. Purchase of national savings certificate, payment. Sports equipment, payment. And cash balance closing दिया है, so we don't call it payment. Okay, we'll record on the opposite side as closing balance. So cash balance is given. We'll have to find the bank balance. Let's check out the adjustment. Salary outstanding. क्या ये आएगा receive payment में? क्या receive payment में आएगा? नहीं. 10% depreciation. क्या ये आएगा? नहीं. Subscription outstanding? No. Rent of hall. Prepaid rent of hall. Will it come in receive payment? Prepaid hall rent. No, already hall rent ले लिया है ना हमने. Rent of hall paid ले लिया है ना. तो उसके अंदर फिर से वो आएगा नहीं. This sum we will prepare a receive payment account. Okay, make the format of receive payment account. Receive payment account. For year ending. सबसे पहले receive payment account is like a cash book. So first of all, let's write the opening balances. So we write to opening balance. We write cash 3,000. We write bank 2,000. Then let's start the sum. Donation for Club Pavilion 70,000 to donation for Club Pavilion. $70,000. Entrance fee, to entrance fee. 3,000. To membership fee. We write only the outer column, 25,000. To income of lectures. 3,000. Dinner party expense by dinner party expense 4,000. Club Pavilion construction expense by Club Pavilion construction expense 60,000. Electricity expense 1,000. Purchase of furniture. Buy purchase of furniture. 5,000. Life membership fee. Life membership fees received. 2 life membership fees. $4,000. Sale of old furniture received. To sale of old furniture. 1,000. Cash balance we have already done. Rent of hall paid. By rent of hall paid. 2,000. Salary. By salary. 10,000. Subscription of newspaper. $2,000. Sale of old newspaper. 500. To sale of old newspaper. Charity. Receipt to charity. 8,000. Dinner party contribution 5,000. To dinner party contribution 5,000. Purchase of National Savings Certificate by purchase of National Savings Certificate NSC 20,000. By purchase of sports equipment 15,000. And closing balance. So by closing balance. Cash. Cash balance is 1,000. Now we have to find what? Closing cash balance aa gaya. We have to find what? We have to find the closing bank balance. Okay? So same way, receipt side is always going to be more. Balancing. Total of debit side minus credit side. 124500.
Yes.
124500. And over here, how much? 4,500. All of you understood this?